The campaign Panalo ang Pamilyang Planado, Tara Usap Tayo sa Family Planning may be evaluated as a relevant initiative through the Social Impact Evaluation Framework. It addresses reproductive health concerns in the Philippines, including unplanned pregnancies, teenage pregnancy, low reproductive health awareness, and unequal access to family planning methods. Its core message that a planned family is a healthier and more empowered family gives the campaign practical and developmental value. The first criterion is the significance of the social problem being addressed. In this area, the campaign performs strongly. Family planning remains a critical issue in the Philippines because of unmet reproductive health needs affect maternal and child health, women's autonomy, household stability, and youth development. Teenage pregnancy has a long-term social and economic consequences for young women and their families. By promoting informed decision-making on family size, responsible parenthood, and safe family planning methods, the campaign addresses a problem that is not only medical but also social and developmental. A second criterion is the clarity of the intended social change. The campaign shows a clear theory of change. If individuals, couples, and communities are given accurate information, spaces for dialogue, and access to family planning services, they are more likely to make more informed reproductive health decisions. The intended change is not only limited to awareness, it also includes behavior change, greater acceptance of family planning, and wider normalization of reproductive health discussions in families and communities. This is a strength because the campaign treats family planning as both a health and social issue tied to empowerment and responsibility. Another criterion is stakeholder engagement and reach. The campaign performs well here because it targets multiple audiences. It addresses Filipino families, couples of reproductive age, youth and community stakeholders, while also engaging health workers, municipal health officers, barangay health workers, schools, non-government organizations, and local government units. This layered approach matters because reproductive health decisions are shaped not only by personal knowledge, but also by family influence, community norms, and the quality of health systems. By involving both intended beneficiaries and frontline implementers, the campaign strengthens its chances of creating wider impact. The campaign also demonstrates strong social marketing and social mobilization strategies. Public forums, educational sessions, counseling, and outreach services help move the message from information to action. Creative activities such as poster making and video infomercial contests make the campaign more participatory and visible at the grassroots level. At the same time, the provision of family-free planning services such as pills, condoms, injectables, and IUDs reduces access barriers. This is also important because effective campaigns do not only persuade people, they also make desired actions easier to take. Inclusion and responsiveness to local contexts are strengths. The campaign does not only focus on married adults but also includes youth, health workers, and community actors. Its reliance on multi-sector partnerships suggests an awareness that reproductive health is often shaped by cultural sensitivities, stigma, and local power relations. Community dialogues and informed efforts help make family planning a more acceptable public conversation rather than a hidden or taboo issue. Finally, the campaign benefits from a strong policy and institutional base. It is anchored in the Responsible Parenthood and Reproductive Health Framework and implemented through the DOH, the Commission on Population and Development. This increases its credibility and sustainability. Reported improvements in areas such as Zamboanga Peninsula also suggest promising outcomes, including reduced teenage pregnancy rates. However, a fuller impact evaluation would require broader data. Overall, the campaign stands out as a relevant, action-oriented initiative for improving reproductive health and responsible parenthood in the Philippines.